This is number 11 in our homework for Unit 67, where we're asked to determine diameter y. And to do this, we have to slide that horizontal line up until it meets the top corner of that diameter y, and take the information given to us to try to determine that diameter y. So first we can see the taper angle given to us is 3 degrees. That means this angle inside the triangle that I formed by sliding the horizontal line up is half of that. So this is going to be 1.5. Okay. Then I know that this bottom side is going to be equivalent in length to the horizontal side given in the problem, which is 118 millimeters. So what I have to do is first figure out this value here, x. And then we'll talk about how we can use that value to determine the value of y. So x is opposite our 1.5 degree angle, and 118 millimeters is adjacent. So we'll have to use our tangent. The tangent of our angle, 1.5 degrees, is equal to opposite over adjacent. And of course we know to multiply both sides by 118 to determine the value of x, and we would find that the value of x is about 3.09 millimeters. Okay, so then what we basically know is that here we have the widest part of the taper is 19.3. We know x is this distance here, but it's also this distance here. So we've got to take the narrower end of the taper, subtract it from 19.3, and then divide that answer by 2. So when we do that, we'll have 19.3 minus y. If we divide that answer by 2, it must equal that value of x that we just determined, which is 3.09 millimeters. So we have to use a little bit of algebra to solve this. We have to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 2 in the bottom. And then we have to add, what we'll have is degrees. 6.18. And then we have to figure out, okay, what do you subtract from 19.3 to get 6.18? Well, 19.3 minus 6.18 tells you that y would have to be 13.12 millimeters. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions.